everybody, and happy Tuesday. I'm here with Charlie to read another brand new story about going back to school. And this one is Time for School, Little Blue Truck. So Little Blue Truck has a brand new adventure. Last time I read a story, it was all about Valentine's Day. So let's find out what happens when Little Blue Truck is getting ready for school. This book is written by Alice Schertle, and it's published by Houghton Mifflin Harcourt, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. So let's get started. Horn went beep. Engines purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road early one morning with good friend Toad. Little Blue Truck called, beep, beep, hi, to a big, bright school bus passing by. What a wonderful bus, all shiny and yellow. She stopped and smiled. Hi, little fella. How many of you out there are going to be going to school on buses? Are you excited? Inside, everyone sat in a row. They waved out the windows to blue below. Little Duck called. What do you think the little duck would say? Quack! There's school today. Little Goat said, Ma! And Little Horse said, what do you think Horse says? Neigh! Lamb, Chick, Calf called, Baa! Peep! Moo! We're taking the bus to school, Little Blue. They all seem pretty excited about school, don't they? What a wonderful job, said Little Blue. I wish I were a school bus, too. You're a good little truck, the school bus said, but this job needs a bus instead. I'm shiny yellow, I'm long and wide, with lots of windows and seats inside. As the bus drove off, Blue heard her say, mustn't be late for school today. Down the road went Little Blue, still wishing he were a school bus too. They were almost home when Blue said, Toad, that's Piggy crying by the road. What do you think the pig says? Oink, oink, I'm late, poor Piggy wept. I missed the bus. I overslept. All right, all of you school pros, have you ever overslept for school? Did you ever miss the bus? Poor Piggy, so upset. Beep, beep, don't cry, said Little Blue. Climb in, let's see what I can do. By now the bus is way ahead. We'll take another way instead. So look at this, Little Blue to the rescue. Blue made a turn and left the road. Hang on, Piggy, hang on, Toad. I know a path right through this wood. I'll get you there like a school bus should. Bump, bump, bump. The path was rough and Blue was little, but Blue was tough. There were bushes and brambles and towering trees. Croak, said Toad, it's quite a squeeze. There's no room here for a great big bus. Beep, said Blue, there's room for us. Look at that. Would you like to go on that kind of ride? Would you like that? Who? Called the owl with mild surprise and looked at Blue with big round eyes. A gray squirrel chattered, chee, 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 and jumped along from tree to tree. Oh, pig looks like they're having fun, don't you think? When they came to a stream, Blue splashed right in. Beep, beep, he said with a little blue grin. I'm good at streams and getting wet. A little water never stopped me yet. Maybe Little Blue thinks he's a Jeep. I don't know. Through the woods, what a bumpy ride. Then there was the road on the other side. Oink, yelled Piggy, you did it, Blue. I see the school and the school bus too. Beep, said Blue, it wasn't hard, and he drove right into the school bus yard. They made it. And in time. The school bus stared and blinked her eyes. Looks like this job is just your size. You're not big, not yellow, not long and wide, but you had room for a friend inside. You did this job in your very own way. We needed a little tough truck today. Neigh, peep, oink, quack, ha, moo. Everybody cheered. Good job, Blue. Blue did it. The end. I would love to know what you think about this story, so please let us know on our Instagram page. And we have some really fun activity guides that go with this story. So stop in the library, you can check this book out, and you can pick up an activity guide. I will be back on Thursday with another back to school book, and this one is all about a bat that goes to night school, and I can't wait to share it with you. I will see you back here on Thursday. Have a great couple days. Bye for now.